Assalamualaikum. Welcome to Learning with Abi and Ummi. In this lesson, we are going to learn some of the most useful phrases you will hear and use in Arabic classroom. Our goal is to make you feel more confident in speaking with your teacher and classmates. Let's start with a basic question. When a teacher asks, "What do you want?" he says, "ماذا تريد?" And your answer, "I want to write," which is أريد أن أكتب. Notice the word an. It's a special particle that connects two verbs. It means to, and it makes the verb that follows it mansub. Here we see the verb aktubu changes to aktuba with a fathah at the end because of an. Sometimes you might not understand something. The teacher will ask, "Hal fahimta?" Meaning, "Did you understand?" If you didn't, you can say, "Lam afham, karrir ya ustad." Here we see the word lam. It's a key particle for negation. Notice that the verb afham has a sukun at the end. That is because lam makes the verb that follows it majzum, which is a grammatical state often marked by a sukun on the final letter. This is what turns "I understand" into "I don't understand." Punctuality is important, but if you are ever late, the teacher might ask, "لماذا تتأخر?" You can explain the reason by saying, "لأن الشارع مزدحم." The word "لأن" is powerful tool. It means because and is actually part of a group of particles called the sister of inna. These particles change the case of the noun that comes after them, making it mansub. Notice that ash-shari' has a fathah at the end, turning it into mansub form. Finally, a very common request: to ask to be excused, you say, "يا أستاذ أستأذنك إلى دورة المياه." And teacher permission is simple. Go ahead, which is تفضل. List of verbs you have learned. فعل الماضي أراد. فعل المضارع يريد want. كتب يكتب write. فهم يفهم understand. كرر يكرر repeat. تأخر يتأخر delay. استأذن يستأذن ask permission. Let's quickly review what we have learned today. Repeat after me to practice your pronunciation. ماذا تريد؟ أريد أن أكتب. هل فهمت؟ لم أفهم. كرر يا أستاذ. لماذا تتأخر؟ لأن الشارع مزدحم. يا أستاذ أستأذنك إلى دورة المياه. تفضل. Quiz time. Write these sentences in Arabic. Check your answer here. Any question? Write your questions in the comment section below. I will respond to it inshallah. Wassalamu alaikum.